Hi there, I'm John Rowland with Highland Lapidary, and I'm going to give you a quick little tour of what we got on the factory floor, because I know a lot of you are waiting on machines and stuff, but I wanted to show you what we've got that's going to ship out here in the next couple of weeks. Starting with on this side, we've got belt sanders on both sides of the row. We've got shaping machines. We're about ready to drop the heads on these. I'm finishing those up today. High tone 14s. Most of them are already boxed up, ready to go. I got C8s. I got a bunch here, and I got some over on the other row. And we've got all the parts to these. We just put them up on assembly. They're very fast build. And then these are HT12s. We got about 50 of these things on the floor right now. We got 18s on the floor right here. Got more 18s here, 24s in the back. More HT12s, more 24s. And then on the other aisle, we've got a lot of stuff that's in welding right now. So I got more HT14s. I got more HT14s that powder coat. These are Everclean tanks going into welding today. And then down here, I've got more 18s, and we got 16s and HTD 14s, and most of that stuff's just about ready to go out to powder here. This is just how jammed the factory is at this point in time. So we got the new, bigger facility. It's going to give us tons of space, and right now this is just everything that's staging. We got our new machining centers in here. There's 16s that are almost done. HTD 14s that are almost done. Model 20s almost done. And then there's some 20s that need to be finished. Hood's about ready to go to powder. Stuff that's going to ship. And then down this side, got belt sanders. We're going to wrap these up probably today, maybe a couple things left in the morning, but got all our parts finally. FMs, the heads go on them today. I finished those late last night. Model 12s, we're dropping arbors in these today, and I'm going to align all of these. And the C8s, we're waiting on our arbor shafts on those. 18s are ready to box up today as soon as we put the control boxes on them. More 12s. 24s, I have to machine some carriages. I'm behind on carriages. But I got some in the container, and I got, I think, 4 here that are going to ship in this shipment. And I got a big stack. I got 25 or 35 Evercleans that are done in the box. And then I've got all of these that are going together. I just got my housings back from powder coat. So there's all my housings for the next batch of Evercleans. Probably another 40 or 50 there. High tone 12 carriages, a whole bunch.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.